Travel bunnies are ready for day 2 in Siargao Island. Destination, Coconut Tree Road and Coconut Tree View Deck. Galing sa aming accommodation sa Banacod, Siargao sa General Luna, tayo ay magbabiyahe mga estimated 30 minutes or more para makarating sa ating destinations. The popular way for transportation here in the island is to rent a motorbike. The rent will cost at around 300 to 500 pesos depending on the model of the motorbike. There are other ways to tour the island like booking a private tour, joiner's tour, car rental, or riding the tuk-tuks, or the tricycle. Mas pinili namin mag-motorbike rental para makapag-DIY kami ng land tour at makapag-joyride na rin. Isa pa sa mga dahilan ay para hawak namin ang oras sa bawat destination. Nahanap namin ang rental ng motorbike through Facebook. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Rochelle. Thank you ma'am for accommodating us. Sa biyahe ay mainit man ang sinag ng araw pero malamig naman ang simoy ng hangin. Kaya masarap magmotor.
We touch, we break. Make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate.
Una nating madadaanan ang Coconut Tree View Deck kung saan sumikat ang human drone shots. Dahil marami pang tao doon muna tayo sa Coconut Tree Road sa bandang unahan mga 5 minutes or less.
It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time.
Dito, naabutan namin ang isang magaling at mabait na tagakuha ng picture. Tinuruan niya kami ng mga tamang posing at angle sa pagkuha ng drone shots. Nga pala, sa mga magpapalipad ng drones, mag-ingat po sa mga ibon dahil may 3 drone na daw ang inatake nito. Pati na rin sa mga coconut trees dahil madalas ay dito sumasabit ang mga drones. Here are some of the drone shots we took.
Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
After taking pictures and drone shots, ay bumalik na kami sa General Luna for our lunch at Bliss Restaurant. Umulan nga lang nung hapon kaya hindi na kami nakapaggala. Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung day 3 namin which is the island hopping. Anyway, kung bago kayo sa channel namin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated sa mga future uploads natin. Thank you and see you on our next adventure.
At least it was worth the try.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you